हेलो एवरीवन। चलिए शुरू करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कल्चरल प्रॉपर्टी? फर्स्ट भीमबेटका पेंटिंग, सेकंड दीदारगंज यक्षी, थर्ड डांसिंग गर्ल्स और फोर्थ चंबा रुमाल। तो आप लोग का टाइमर है वो स्टार्टेड है। मैं जब जैसे ही क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट बोल मतलब स्टार्ट करता हूँ, टाइमर उसी तरीके से स्टार्ट हो जाता है। जैसे ही टाइमर स्टॉप होगा मैं यहाँ पे आंसर विजिबल कर दूंगा, आंसर आ जाएगा। ओके, तो आप लोग को जो भी ऑप्शन लगता है उसको आप टिक कर दें। और इसी तरीके से हर एक अगले क्वेश्चन में आपका टाइमर क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट होते ही आपका टाइमर भी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। चलिए टाइम अप हो गया। इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 4। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए मैन मेड कॉज ऑफ डिटोरिएशन ऑफ कल्चरल प्रॉपर्टी? फर्स्ट अर्थक्वेक, सेकंड फ्लड, थर्ड आर्सन और फोर्थ बायो डिटोरिएशन। 20 सेकंड लेफ्ट। 10 सेकंड। टाइम अप। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which reference to museum IPM stands for? First, internal postal management, second, integrated pest management, third, ideal preventive management और fourth, implementable process management. Sorry, implementable process management. 20 second left. 10 second left. इसका right answer option 2. Next question. Which of the following gases is usually not considered a pollutant for museum objects? First, sulfur dioxide, second, hydrogen sulfide, third, ozone और fourth, carbon dioxide. 20 second. 10 second. Time up. Right answer option 4. Next question. Question number 5. Whale is an important part of which of the following paintings? First, Pichwai, second, Thangaka, third, Patachitra और fourth, Far. 20 second. 10 second. Time up. Right answer option 2. Next question. Question number 6. Abbreviation CRI denotes first color reducing index, second color rendering index, third color reflecting index, or fourth color diffracting index. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Right answer option 2. Next question. Question number 7. Which of the following corrosion products is likely to be seen on a corroded copper artifact? First, azurite. Second, wavellite. Third, magnetite. Fourth, siderite. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Right answer option 1. Next question. With which cultural property is the term warli associated? First, oil paintings. Second, rock paintings. Third, wall paintings. Or fourth, miniature paintings. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer है 3. Next question. Constitution of India is stored in a sealed chamber filled with nitrogen gas as it first neutralizes the effect of acidity, second create anoxic conditions, third reduce the effect of light radiations, or fourth absorbs excessive humidity. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Right answer option 2. Next question. Question number 10. What is the range of color temperature exhibited by metal halide lamps commonly used in museums? First, 1800 to 2900 K. Second, 2900 to 3400 K. Third, 4300 to 5000 K. Or fourth, 6500 to 8000 K. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option 3. Next question. Question number 11. Old films usually show a characteristics order reminiscent of first garlic, second rotten eggs, third lemon, or fourth vinegar. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay. Time up. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following instruments is used as a diagnostic tool in conservation? First, hot spatula. Second, vacuum table. Third, leaf caster. Fourth, X-ray. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. इसका आंसर ऑप्शन 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 13. Nitrocellulose adhesive can theoretically be used for joining first marble sculpture, second terracotta, third broken glass, or fourth panel paintings. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option 2. Next question. Question number 14. Laser technique is commonly used in conservation. What is the full form of laser? First, light amplitude of stimulated emission of radiation. Second, light amplified stimulated emitted radiation. Third, light amplified by stimulated emission of radiation. 4. Light amplification of stimulated emission of radiation. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option 4. Next question. Which of the following is the cause of glass disease? First, solubilization of complex salts. Second, dissolution of insoluble salts. Third, formation of deliquescent salts. Or fourth, precipitation of collecting sorry for that collecting एजेंट्स. मैं प्रोनाउंस नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, उसके लिए थोड़ा सा आप माफ कीजिएगा, गला फंसा हुआ है मेरा. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप. इसका आंसर ऑप्शन 3. आप लोग थोड़ा देर वेट कीजिएगा तो 2 मिनट. 2 मिनट में नहीं, मतलब थोड़ी देर. Next question. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a mineral pigment? First, Lajwardi. Second, Lak. Third, Khadiya. Or fourth, Ramraj. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option 2. Next question. Question number 70. In painting carried out, a canvas painting belongs to which of the following categories of conservation? First, preventive conservation. Second, remedial conservation. Third, restorative conservation. Or fourth, curative conservation. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option 3. Next question. Question number 18. Which of the following is an example of restoration? First, in painting. Second, consolidation. Third, disinfestation. Or fourth, desalination. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option first. Next question. Question number 19. Sodium sesquicarbonate is used in the conservation of first, aluminium, second, silica, third, iron, or fourth, copper. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option 4. Next question. Question number 20. What is the full form of PEG used for conservation of water-logged wood? First, polyethylene glucose. Second, polyethylene glass. Third, polyethylene glycol. Or fourth, polyethylene glyceride. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. Time up. Option 3. Next question. Question number 21. What is the purpose of relining a canvas painting? First, reinforcing. Second, consolidation. Third, cleaning. Or fourth, mending. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option first. Next question. Which of the following gases is used to create anoxic condition in an anoxicator? First oxygen, second chlorine, third nitrogen, or fourth hydrogen. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, time up. Answer option 3. Next question. A museum should not encourage first workshops, second special exhibitions, third art camps, or fourth political debates. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, time up. Option 4. Next question. Which of the following is effective in creating immersive visualization? First, augmented reality. Second, virtual reality. नीचे जो राइट ऑप्शन दिया गया चूज करने के लिए, फर्स्ट, फर्स्ट ओनली, सेकंड, सेकंड ओनली, थर्ड, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड बोथ, और फोर्थ, नाइदर वन एंड टू. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, time up. Answer option 2. Next question. Question number 25. Some of the leading people responsible for paving way for the setting up of the National Museum India are: first, John Marshall and Lord Curzon; second, James Prinsep and Sir Maurice Gower; third, Alexander Cunningham and John Marshall; or fourth, Mortimer Wheeler and John Marshall. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, time up. Answer option first. Next question. Question number 26. India's first international biosphere reserve is: first, Nanda Devi National Park and Biosphere Reserve; second, Sundarban Biosphere Reserve; third, Simlipal Biosphere Reserve; or fourth, Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. 20 seconds, 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option 4. Next question. Question number 27. Marketing and public relations are first interdependent, second complementary, third supplementary, or fourth interfering. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Option 2. Next question. Question number 28. Significant contribution for the establishment of site museums in India was by first Robert Cade, second Mortimer Wheeler, third William Jones, or fourth John Marshall. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option 4. Next question. Question number 29. The contextual model of learning suggests that learning is influenced by three overlapping contexts. First, personal, social, and linguistic. Second, personal, social, and economic. Third, personal, socio-culture, and physical. Fourth, personal, social, and emotional. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Option 3. Next question. Question number 30. In the recent natural and man-made disasters, the museums in India which have suffered huge losses are first Government Museum, Chennai and National Museum, Delhi; second NGMA and NMNH; third Sri Pratap Singh Museum, Srinagar and NMNH; fourth National Museum and NGMA. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answered है option 3. Next question. Question number 31. Ind lighting is a type of first source of natural light, second source of artificial light, third mixed lighting, or fourth focusing material. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option first. Next question. Question number 32. Samarnika is a museum of history of railways in India, history of trams in Kolkata, third, history of rickshaw in Kolkata, or fourth, history of books in India. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer option 2. Next question. Question number 33. The British Museum in 1753 soon became strong in collection of first archaeology, antiquities, natural history and ethnography, second archaeology, zoology and botany, third fine arts and ethnography, fourth natural history, arts and science. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer इसका ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. Which of the following is not a key element of visitors survey during segmenting the museum market? First, visitor visitors age. Second, visitors nationality and ethnic background. Third, visitors police verification report. Or fourth, visitors view. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप. आंसर है ऑप्शन 3. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. National Council of Science Museums originated out of first, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, second, National Physical Laboratory, third, Birla Institute of Technological and Science, fourth, Birla Industrial and Technological Museum. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप. आंसर है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. TQM is an approach to long-term success through first, financial stability, second, customer satisfaction, third, motivation of employees, or fourth, partnerships. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, टाइम अप। आंसर है टू, कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 37। The British Museum London in its collection has which one of the following? First, Rosetta Stone, second, Code of Hammurabi, third, Nefertiti, or fourth, Dancing Girl. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, टाइम अप। आंसर है फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 38। The first director of National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi was first Grace Morley, second Herman Goetz, third Mortimer Wheeler, or fourth John Marshall. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, टाइम अप। आंसर है ऑप्शन टू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 39। The Salar Jung Museum, Hyderabad, was taken over by the Government of India in first 1959, second 1958, third 1960, or fourth 1961. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, टाइम अप। आंसर है ऑप्शन टू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 40। In which year was the term museography first used? First 1792, second 1727, third 1683, or fourth 1883. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. Answer है 1. Next question. Question number 41. The Museum International is the first journal edited by the Icon since 1948. Second, monography released by the MAI in 1944. Third, theme song composed by the Paris Commune in 1871. Or fourth, Journal of British Museum. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. Financial management of a museum includes first, housekeeping, second, revenue generating activities, third, supervising maintenance staff, or fourth, interpretation of objects. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. इसका ऑप्शन है आंसर ऑप्शन 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. In case of a disaster in museum, what is the correct order of priority of safeguarding? First, people, objects, building. Second, objects, documents, building. Third, objects, building, people. Or fourth, objects, people and documents. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Time up. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. In a museum gallery, the learning environments for the children aged 4 to 7 years need not include first, activity stations for working with clay and crayons, second, films and videos, third, digital mediums, or fourth, lecture halls. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. There is a transition in museum world towards first neighborhood museums, second private museums, third community museums, or fourth science museums. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, टाइम अप। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 46। Which of the following is not a correct statement? First, the design of the gallery should be planned according to the nature of the collection. Second, the spectral range of light does affect the appearance of objects in the exhibition gallery. Third, ease of circulation of visitors is a must in the exhibition area. Fourth, the illumination level should not exceed 50 lux in all the exhibition areas. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, टाइम अप। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन 4। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 47। इन विच ईयर was the first public museum established? First, 1883, second, 1683, third, 1684, or fourth, 1814. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 48। The first director of the National Council of Science Museum was first Saroj Ghosh, second Samar Bagchi, third Amlendu Bose, or fourth B.P. Bedi. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, time up. Right answer is option 3. Next question, question number 49. Thermoluminescence method is used for dating objects of first leather, second terracotta, third metal, or fourth wood. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 50। Which public museum amongst the following was the first to start guide program for visitors? First, the British Museum. Second, the Louvre. Third, Victoria and Albert Museum. Or fourth, Smithsonian Institution. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 51। The book The Manual of Museum Management is authored by first E.P. Alexander, second A.R. Anderson, third G.D. Lord and Lord Barry, fourth Elian Hooper Greenhill. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 52। Which of the following prescribed ethical guidelines for various functions of museums? First, key concept of museology. Second, ICOM code of ethics. Third, studies in museology. Or fourth, ICCROM guidelines. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 53। Pedestal and stands are generally used for exhibiting first coins and stamps, second jewelry, third sculptures and similar freestanding large objects, fourth miniature paintings. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 54। The standard viewing height in a museum is first 1 meter, second 1.25 meters, third 1.5 meters, or fourth 1.6 meters. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 4। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 55। Scientific advisor to the Great Exhibition of 1851 was first Hans Sloane, second Nathaniel Wallis, third Charles Babbage, fourth William Roxburgh. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 56। Summative evaluation in a museum is done first after the exhibition is installed and it becomes open to public, second during the installation of an exhibition, third before an exhibition is conceptualized, or fourth throughout the installation of an exhibition. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 57। Which of the following event led to the foundation of Victoria and Albert Museum, London? First, unification of Germany. Second, French Revolution. Third, First World War. Or fourth, Great Exhibition of 1851. 20 seconds, 10 seconds, टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 4। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 58। द टर्म interpretation in museums functions denotes first scholarly experience for scholars and students, second exhibitional experience for school children, families and adults, third guided tour for all, or fourth educational experience for special groups. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सेकेंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 59। Assertion A. Circulating exhibitions are temporary exhibition, but not all temporary exhibition are circulatory exhibition. Reason are: circulating exhibition return back to the place of origin after a series of temporary exhibition at a prefixed circulatory path. Select the correct answer. First, both A and R are right. Second, both assertion and reason are wrong. Third, assertion is right but reason is wrong. Or four, assertion is wrong but reason is right. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट, बोथ assertion and reason are right. Next question, question number 60. Under which section of Treasure Trove Act 1878 can the finder who conceals the treasure be imprisoned? First, section 51 का A, second section 4, third section 2 का 1 और fourth section 3. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 61। IUCN keeps record of: first, endangered animals and plants; second, extinct animals and plants; third, endemic animals and plants; or fourth, all of the above. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 4। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 62। Audience research shows that attracting and retaining audience is crucial for museums for the reason: museums should not first demonstrate the museum provides value-added services; second, encourage auction; third, perform systematic research to identify non-visitors; or fourth, establish quality publications and websites. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Question number 63. India's only naval aviation museum is located in first Karnataka, second Kerala, third Tamil Nadu, or fourth Goa. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 4। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 64। इन ए tripartite accession number like 1/2/19, meaning of different digits is: first, the first digit is the object number, the second digit is part of the object number, and third digit is the lot number. Second, the first digit is the object number, the second digit is the lot number, and the third digit denotes part of the object. Third, the first digit is the lot number, the second digit is the object number in the lot, and the third digit is the year number. 4. The first digit is the first object, the second digit is the second object, and third digit is the year number. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 65। म्यूजियम एट एलेक्जेंड्रिया was founded by first Ptolemy Soter, second Aristotle, third Cosimo de Medici, or fourth John Tradescan. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 1। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 66। Application of the Persons with Disabilities Act 1995 in museums is essential for providing: first, access for all; second, facilities for the disabled; third, special service for the disabled; or fourth, separate exhibition for the disabled. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 67। मैच लिस्ट वन विथ लिस्ट टू। लिस्ट वन में डीएसिडिफिकेशन, पेटिना रिमूवल, फ्रीज ड्राइंग और डिसैलिनेशन। वहीं लिस्ट टू में वाटर लॉस्ड वुड, आर्काइवल मटेरियल, सैंडस्टोन स्कल्पचर्स और ब्रॉन्ज स्कल्पचर्स। और नीचे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, वो आप लोग देख के ही चूज कर ले, मैं उसको नरेट नहीं करूंगा। 20 सेकेंड्स। टेन सेकेंड्स। इसका राइट आंसर है, सॉरी टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन फोर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 68। लिस्ट वन में, लिस्ट वन और लिस्ट टू को मैच करना है। लिस्ट वन में पाम लीफ, सिल्वर, ग्लास और आइवरी। लिस्ट टू में इस सब्जेक्ट में लगने वाले डिटोरिएशन का नाम है क्रिजलिंग, लॉस ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, येलोइंग और टार्निशिंग। नीचे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, आप लोग देख के चूज करें। 20 सेकेंड्स। 10 सेकेंड्स। टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन वन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 69। लिस्ट वन लिसा सी रॉबर्ट्स, सेकंड जॉन कॉटन डाना, थर्ड जॉन डेवी और फोर्थ लैम्बर्ग। लिस्ट टू में है ए गुड म्यूजियम अट्रैक्ट, entertains and arouses curiosity, leads to questioning and thus promotes learning. Second, the history of educational theory is marked by opposition between the idea that learning is development from within and that is formation from without. Third, exhibits and the spaces in which visitors move around must be planned together. Or fourth, exhibition is by its very nature an interpretative act. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन टू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 70। बुक्स और ऑथर के नाम दिए गए हैं। बुक्स वाले लिस्ट में द म्यूजियम इन्वायरमेंट, सेकंड केयर एंड प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ म्यूजियम ऑब्जेक्ट्स, थर्ड द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एंटिक्विटीज एंड वर्क्स ऑफ आर्ट, ट्रीटमेंट रिपेयर एंड रेस्टोरेशन। फोर है इसेंशियल्स इन द केयर एंड कंजर्वेशन ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल सेरामिक ऑब्जेक्ट्स। लिस्ट टू में ऑथर एच जे प्लेंडरलिथ एंड ए ई ए वार्नर। सेकंड है विक्टोरिया ओकले एंड कमाल के जैन, थर्ड गैरी थॉम्सन और फोर्थ ओम प्रकाश अग्रवाल। 20 सेकेंड्स। 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वह है आपका ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 71। Assertion: Newspaper reports seem to indicate that Taj Mahal is turning yellow. Reason: it is because of large number of visitors. नीचे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। फर्स्ट, assertion is wrong but reason is right. Second, assertion is right but reason is wrong. Third, both assertion and reason are right. Four, both assertion and reason are wrong. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वह आपका ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 72। असर्शन: ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ लेदर पपेट्स यूजुअली रिक्वायर्स एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ऑयल. रीजन: oil protects the puppets from the effect of fluctuation in temperature and humidity. नीचे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। फर्स्ट, assertion is wrong but reason is right. Second, assertion is right but reason is wrong. Third, both assertion and reason are right. और fourth, both assertion and reason are wrong. 20 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 73। असर्शन: pH is defined as negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Reason: pH has no unit. Options है। फर्स्ट, assertion is wrong but reason is right. Second, assertion is right but reason is wrong. Third, both assertion and reason are right. Or fourth, both assertion and reason are wrong. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 74। assertion: while each museum has something to offer to some people, what they offer is neither the same nor of interest or value to all. Reason: museum in the sense of collection means different things to different people. ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। फर्स्ट, बोथ असर्शन एंड रीजन आर राइट। सेकेंड, बोथ असर्शन एंड रीजन आर रॉन्ग। थर्ड, असर्शन इज राइट बट रीजन इज रॉन्ग। फोर्थ, असर्शन इज रॉन्ग बट रीजन इज राइट। 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 75। assertion: catalogs are very important scientific documents in collection management. Reason: catalogs give complete information on particular object or set of objects to satisfy academic queries. Options: first, both assertion and reason are right. Second, both assertion and reason are wrong. Third, assertion is right but reason is wrong. Or fourth, assertion is wrong but reason is right. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप. इसका जो राइट आंसर है, सॉरी फॉर दैट, ऑप्शन 1 है वो. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 76. असर्शन. Collections are the foundation of everything that takes place in museums, libraries, and archives. Reason: there can be no museum without collection. Options है: first, both assertion and reason are right. Second, both assertion and reason are wrong. Third, assertion is right but reason is wrong. Or fourth, assertion is wrong but reason is right. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 77. Assertion: every museum of worth does have different categories of publication for different categories of visitors. Reason: publication constitutes a good publicity material which is academically valuable. Options दिए गए. फर्स्ट, both A and both assertion and reason are wrong. Both assertion and reason are right. Third, assertion is wrong but reason is right. और फोर, assertion is right but reason is wrong. assertion reason का ऑप्शन बोलना ये आप लोग तो देख के ही कर लेंगे, नेक्स्ट टाइम से नहीं बोलेंगे. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 78. Which of the following steps are a part of curative conservation of a stone sculpture? First, cleaning. Second, consolidation. Third, removal of salts. और फोर्थ, डिस्प्ले इन म्यूजियम. नीचे दिए गए हैं ऑप्शंस, उसमें से आप लोग चूज कीजिए. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप. इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 3. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 79. Which of the following are indicators of a professionally managed museum storage? A. No object is to be found on the floor. B. Retrieval of an object should not take more than 5 minutes. C. Only accessioned objects are present in storage. D. Air conditioning is operational in storage for at least 6 hours a day. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सेकेंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 80। लिस्ट वन को लिस्ट टू से मैच करना है। लिस्ट वन में रेजिन्स, पारालोइड B72, बी एडेल्डाइट, सी ड्यूकोसीमेंट और डी एल्वेसाइट। सेकंड में है लिस्ट टू में, फर्स्ट पॉलीमिथाइल मेथाक्राइलेट, सेकंड नाइट्रोसेलुलोज, थर्ड इपॉक्सी और फोर्थ एक्रिलिक। ट्वेंटी सेकेंड्स। 10 seconds. 'टाइम अप'। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 81। प्रिवेंटिव कंजर्वेशन इन ए म्यूजियम कैन बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय ए कंजर्वेटर, बी सिक्योरिटी स्टाफ, सी क्यूरेटर और डी डायरेक्टर। नीचे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, चूज कीजिए। 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वह है आपका ऑप्शन 4। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 82। Arrange in order the following steps involved in the conservation of a fragile historic structure: A. Documentation, B. Laboratory test, C. Conservation treatment or D. Emergency measures. Twenty seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वह है आपका ऑप्शन फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 83। Roles and duties of curator include: know how of A. Preventive conservation, B. Organizing exhibition, C. Restoration and conservation or D. Accessioning. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वह है आपका ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 84। Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 extinguisher type: A. Wet chemical, B. Dry powder, C. Carbon dioxide और D. Water. List 2 में class of fire: first class B electrical, second class A B C D, third class A and F और fourth class A. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. टाइम अप. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 85. ए म्यूजियम में कलेक्ट बाय: A. Gift, B. Accepting seized objects, C. Plundering archaeological sites और D. Bequests. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 3. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. The definition of intangible cultural heritage incorporates: A. Practices, B. Cultural spaces, C. Museums or D. Archives. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 87. Importance of diorama in museum galleries is: A. To emphasize a particular object, B. To depict total perspective of a collection, C. To give perspective to natural history specimen or D. To dramatize exhibition. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप. इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 3. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 88. Creation of exhibition in a museum involves: A. Conceptualization, B. Choosing the pertinent collection, C. Organizing museum education workshop और D. Organizing outreach education programs. नीचे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, चूज कीजिए. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 89। Visitor studies in a museum is important for efficiently conducting a exhibition, B. Education, C. Collection और D. Conservation। नीचे ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, चूज कीजिए। 20 seconds। 10 seconds। टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 90। Interpretation in a museum denotes A. Multiple narrative, B. Varied experiences, C. Instruction and information और D. Facts and figures। नीचे ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, उसमें से चूज कीजिए। 20 seconds। 10 seconds। टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 3। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 91। मैच लिस्ट 1 with list 2, list 1 museums: A. Smulyan Museum, B. The Louvre, C. Victoria and Albert Museum और D. The Metropolitan Museum। लिस्ट 2 में सेटिंग अपडेट्स: फर्स्ट 1793, सेकंड 1683, थर्ड 1870, फोर्थ 1952। 20 seconds। 10 seconds। टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 92। लिस्ट 1 मैच लिस्ट 1 with list 2, list 1: A. The National Museum of Science and Industry, London, B. The Philadelphia Zoological Garden, C. The Indian Botanical Garden, Kolkata, D. National Air and Space Museum, Washington। लिस्ट 2 में फर्स्ट 1787, सेकंड 1976, थर्ड 1854 और फोर्थ 1928। 20 seconds। 10 seconds। टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 93। यहाँ पैसेज दिया गया है, उस पैसेज में से क्वेश्चन निकल के आएगा, तो मैं पैसेज पढ़ दे रहा हूँ। इस पैसेज का टाइम मतलब क्वेश्चन बनाने का टाइम अलग से मिलेगा, पैसेज का टाइम मतलब उसमें इंक्लूड नहीं रहेगा। Looking at the planning for the Great Exhibition at the Crystal Palace in London in 1851, we discover that, contrary to our belief, the IMAX theater, ride simulators, and virtual reality exhibits are the latest thing. Exhibition developers have proposed special effects and advanced exhibition technology to attract and educate the public for well over a century. Charles Babbage, the creator of the early computer, the different engine, was also scientific advisor to the Great Britain, Great Exhibition of 1851। तो ये हो गया। अब क्वेश्चन यहाँ से है, इसी के बाद मतलब इससे लगभग 4 क्वेश्चन और मिलेंगे आपको, तो उसका टाइमर चलते रहेगा, उसमें मैं फिर से पैसेज पर नहीं पढ़ूंगा। क्वेश्चन है, एग्जीबिशन डेवलपर्स of the Great Exhibition of 1851 proposed special effects and advanced exhibition technology to: first, attract and educate the public; second, attract networking with museums; third, promote conservation of works of art; fourth, earn more revenue from the exhibition. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 94। वेन्यू ऑफ द ग्रेट ब्रिटेन वाज: फर्स्ट, बकिंगम पैलेस लंदन; सेकंड, केंसिंगटन पैलेस लंदन; थर्ड, चेल्सिया गार्डन लंदन; और फोर्थ, क्रिस्टल पैलेस लंदन। 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन फोर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 95। The Great Exhibition was held in the year: first, 1857; second, 1851; third, 1872; fourth, 1757. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन टू। काफी जी क्वेश्चन था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 96। द डिफरेंट इंजन वाज: फर्स्ट, फर्स्ट लोकोमोटिव; second, early computer; third, basic search engine; fourth, primitive robot. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 97। सुनो, show palace for the idea of technological progress, value free, playground for scientific exploration, or lively forum for learning, controversy, and the search for solution. Each of these is a scenario for a contemporary science museum. Suno, show palace for the idea of technological progress is being referred for first natural history museum, second digital mediums, third botanic gardens, fourth science museum. Show palace, show place. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 4। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 98। Playground for scientific exploration hints at A. Static display, B. Dynamic displays, C. Museums as platform for exploration, D. Understanding science through exhibition। नीचे ऑप्शंस दिए गए उस ऑप्शन में से चूज कीजिए। 20 seconds। 10 seconds। टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 99। Lively forum for learning is being used to describe first science museum, second children's museum, third interpretation centers, fourth exploratorium। 20 seconds। 10 seconds। टाइम अप। इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है आपका ऑप्शन फर्स्ट साइंस म्यूजियम। लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 100। For learning, controversy and search for solution signifies first, a museum for exploring, questioning and discovering solution. Second, a museum for creating controversies. Third, a static museum. Four, a museum devoid of narratives. 10 सेकेंड्स। इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन फर्स्ट। और दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। सी यू सून।